Hey, what's going on, guys? It is Chuck here, and today for this Firebot video, we are taking a look at channel rewards. Now, a couple of weeks ago, actually at this point, it's like a month or so ago, maybe even longer, Firebot had a really big update, and they introduced a ton of new things specifically to channel rewards. So if you're an affiliate or a partner on Twitch, I'm sure you're familiar, or a viewer even, you're pretty familiar with channel rewards, but couple channel rewards with Firebot and you can make some amazing things. So what we're going to be taking a look at today is a quick walkthrough of the new user interface, how to create channel rewards, and then showcasing a few of the things that we can actually do in channel rewards in Firebot. So let's take a look. Alrighty, so what we're going to be doing is taking a look at this new channel rewards tab on the left side. So previously, channel rewards existed under the events tab, and they still do. There's an event type called channel reward redemption. Now, if we go into these, you'll see that you used to have to filter by things like the reward's name. So if the reward was redeemed called amazing, then do some things. You'll see here, I even have, in my old version of these, a check that the game was correct. I'm not building this out in the new system, and I'll be making a video about how this will work down the road. So keep an eye out on that. But previously, I had a required game, and if the game was not Overwatch, then the reward would not run. So check to see if the game that I'm playing was the required game. If so, run the effect. If not, send them a message saying we can't do this. The downside to that is that you still had to use Twitch for all of the management of your channel rewards. So actually creating them, setting the prices, setting the active stage or inactive status. And you also didn't have a great way to tell how many you had created against the limit of 50. I had hit this limit trying to migrate some of my mix play stuff from Mixer pretty quickly, actually. The Twitch UI doesn't really explain what's going on. It starts erroring out. It wasn't until diving into the documentation you can see that there is actually a limit. And so what we've got here are some channel rewards. These can benefit from things like sort tags. So you'll see that my Overwatch channel rewards here are all sorted by the Overwatch tag. I can switch to Sea of Thieves, see all my Sea of Thieves effects. I can go to my battle game and I can see all of these, and I can turn them on or off however I want. Let's open up this random hero, and we'll see that right now it's not active in Twitch, and it's not active here in Firebot as well. I can update the reward's name, the description, the channel point cost. I can require a user to enter text or not. We can have this skip the rewards queue or not. You can set a cooldown time. Now here's the amazing thing. All of this can be set dynamically. You can update things like the title, the redemption time, the cost, using various effects in Firebot. So if we add new effects, you'll see if we start looking for channel rewards, you'll see that there's a new effect called Update Channel Reward. This lets you change various things about a channel reward. So right now we're looking at the random hero reward. If I search random, we can find it. Cool, it's easier than scrolling when you have 37. And what we can do is we can choose to update whether or not it's enabled or not. You can toggle it, so it'll just turn it on. If it's on, turns it off. If it's off, it'll turn it on. Or you can explicitly set it to be enabled or disabled. It starts with the default of toggle, which is it'll just, if it's on, it turns it off. You can also update the name, you can update the description, and you can update the cost. Now, the nice part about this is that you can dynamically make things cost more. So if you have a really annoying channel reward, particularly things that make you jump because of like a jump scare or physical activities like push-ups or whatever, you can make those cost more the more times they're pressed throughout a stream. So you can get really creative by using these channel reward update effects in Firebot. Now for here, I have my channel reward here, and then I've got all my stuff that happens. This particular one goes out and it picks a random hero from Overwatch and then plays the appropriate hero's ultimate sound. So if we hit test,
justice reigns from above.
It went out, it chatted, said,
heyaapl must play as Pharah in their next game.
There we go. Thank you. The Google Cloud text-to-speech, which I highlighted in a previous video, is also here. And yeah, so you can see how all of this is working, including adding queues, which hilariously apparently is not in a queue. So we're going to add that to a queue. This is 8 seconds. Cool. All right. So that is your channel rewards in terms of editing and creating. Adding effects is very similar to what you would expect in Firebot. Adding videos, showing text, creating a chat message, using your custom variables. All of this is here in the channel rewards. Lastly, to create a channel reward. If the channel reward is created in Firebot, then you can update the name, the description, the cost, and its active status. If you don't, and you create it on the Twitch side, you can still add effects to take place. So you can still have the sounds and the video effects and chat messages, but you can't update the name and things unless you create it in Firebot. So my recommendation is to create them in Firebot. If you did not create it in Firebot and created it through Twitch or through some other service, there will be a little lock somewhere by the name that will indicate that Firebot can't control it. This is a Twitch limitation. In that case, you'll have to recreate it in Firebot, so that way Firebot can then modify it. The last thing that you'll need to know is that you cannot adjust the reward icon in Firebot. Twitch doesn't allow third parties to upload icon files for channel rewards. So because of this, you'll have to create the rewards in Firebot and then upload the reward icons on Twitch. But once you've done that, it's pretty straightforward. You can change how these work however you want, and things work pretty well. So I hope that's a clear overview of channel rewards in Firebot. Like I said in the last video, I'm going to be doing more of these high-level overviews and not spending a bunch of time explaining how to create something. But if you want to see how I did things, like the random hero where I'm pulling a sound effect based on a hero that it chooses, let me know in the comments down below, and I will start to make tutorials about that stuff. I just need ideas. So give me some ideas, and then we'll go with that. So thank you very much for watching. If you haven't hit subscribe yet, please subscribe. It really helps me out, and you'll be notified when I upload another Firebot tutorial, if you care. Otherwise, peace out, stay classy. I love you guys' faces, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!